Yɛma mo nyinaa akɔ abɛbio m'ani agye sɛ masan ahyia mo nyinaa wɔ ha ɛwɔ coding twin wɔ yɛn previous videos ne mu no yɛhunu sɛnea yɛbɛtumi asɛte yɛn ID na aboa ma yɛtumi atwerɛ code anaa abuilde website ahodoɔ nti visual code ɛna yɛyɛ ho adwuma nti these are some of the saying basic thing I built in a previous video no na ene no man shada and church mo nia we echere tags ahodo amu nyina man kan bia wasem na me can say introduction to HTML no emu ene yebeka yebe church sane ma we nyina mo enti isan say a new topic ni discussing nti mo ma me create a file metal file needing maybe hello.html na yɛmfa nkyerɛkyerɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa mu. Okay, nti ɛsiane sɛ ɛyɛ introduction to HTML nti no ne generate yɛbɛka HTML code structure nti yɛmɛhit shift ma press 1 no for exclamation mark maybe na me also say yɛbɛgenerate HTML structure mami where your friend boilerplate HTML boilerplate. Anyway, it's an say we a new file see the hello world. And to me display as a CR no index.html na yɛmwadwuma na wɔtwetwe mu no. Nti saa breed here I mean change I mean copy we now fi me fembra a new tab I mean paste me we are me change aha hello na press enter. This one say yen structure. This one say yen structure be our hands no say empty. And so content there e be wo index.html no. Nti na niama wa say. Nti see na mama yen fa e bia h1 shouldn't be capital H1 na intro what is HTML we are saving. Okay, and say what is HTML any sanya ma yehu wa hanu nyina den na ase echre HTML cra the mami zoom in senior we okay so you can HTML a HyperText markup language Mr. any programming language sani yensu anyone any programming language and it doesn't have that coding logic now so HTML was special codes so special codes and then your friend tags na eno boa e ka kire browser ne say hey display bia me person me display nti browser no say etimi display sa near the body tag name no nti HTML provides what we call a semantic meaning and structural foundation for web content. Nti see any HTML trust me Facebook Twitter nina foundation no ejina yɛbɛka HTML so nti ɔde na yɛn visit facebook.com na ka adeɛ visit facebook.com na right click here now choose to inspect obi say bibia wo ho ha no bibia wo ho ha no I mean share and structures ni nyina HTML BBI HTML content na one nyina ebetimi asesa BBI wa hello world hello world you add or click save into one say yes assign as a sign BBI HTML near the ability into HTML it provides semantic meaning, as I've already said, the structural foundation for web content. And you be building website be building mobile application be you can't do away without HTML. And only agent so to me the building near air come one someone. And the HTML, how popular HTML is, the structure, the foundation of every website that you see, web content, you see the foundation agent HTML. So in the acquired is our quota as I say na assassinate the whole now person will see that obey foundation at the blocks and as if when you see it is a structure no near bomb with me yes a structure no and no HTML into you can HyperText a linked text, okay, the media creating the interconnected web. And you click it text be so to me the or click images based to me the and then a friend of HyperText. Now markup so a tags are a defining element a catcher browser and it's a display way display into here. What is HTML? Yeah, they share H1 tag. Well, and the browser now recognizes say, oh, so tag with the MP no yeah. That is the biggest font into display money can see. Now so what the young fan is me choose H6 H6 tagger. And I'm sure hello. What we say Isa compare we anywhere. And one say browser now recognizes this is the smallest font size when it comes to hierarchy. And my main display neketwa. What I say and see and no and the boa website browsers need to me display content. After it's not say a language in terms you can say hypertext markup language you know it follows specific rules and syntax that web browsers would understand and internal language is sort on. Alright, into Mama me explaining the basic structure of this HTML. Yet near HTML to me I said any you can't a damn cranny a dainy headway sufi I mean hiding in and in simple analogy no over start with HTML structure unless say what type near a friend we would declare say oh browser message the document type that I'm using is HTML and the browser needs to be recognized a document be a file we a HTML into bombardians will be display content now. What inside now, sa tag we into HTML language is set towards a taking variable I friend English. Okay, into BB I make sure be this is the English symbol. Alright, and now within this HTML it has what an opening tag and a closing what tag. Now within this HTML we have the head and we have what the body. Head head equity anyama website so our body inside. Okay, it doesn't display into SEO search engine optimization meta tags nina ahanuma nebeko opeso linking files be ahaya now the bed or the beba into this meta tag property wahanum char set. Yes, that's the character set. Into character set now a value a UTF you can UTF the Unicode consortium for Unicode Foundation and no wow pa Emma utumi character be a opese what they can when you have more internet and so it me display into the UTF-8 no a boama it display kasa bi a pese ye tro it supported all the language characters and everything into say emoji now pese or display on internet and so cry because of this it helps you to can display. So now the show body tag nima ebeba and browser and bit me a display into this meta tag is very powerful. It helps to display or provides a global character support, yes, representing every character or the Unicode standard I can masem. Afi ohia yes now meta tag for this meta tag na make masem. Nti ohia property taking name now for value no your viewports. These are talking about what devices are we using. And what devices are we use who are hanomano. Say phone being our day visit a website in a cry. It should be able to display the content into your content property and the width equals device minus width. Initial scale to 1 and the device we use should be able to display all the tested our the working business never can say responsiveness, but responsiveness will be to me the CSS as the more responsiveness to it. And about me use Facebook and way a desktop, but which you see mobile phone is not displaying what where XR at least we in case a buffer. Don't know why it is displaying like that. Alright. You use to higher and fan the old one I built it the other time now. See you choose a mobile phone. Once a mobile phone add no if finching one barbershop yeah, no responsive cry and overboard. So the phone ketwa cry we use should be able to display into that particular this one here is what is helping to do all the magic over there that we see. Okay. Until controlling the page dimension and also scaling on devices. So ufri head ni muswa obeba head ni ma yawo title. In the title no ohwe title yawo ha yawo document. In this document we eno ni display yawo tab no hase to yes any display yawo hase and say website be ababisi be yawo title now. We so I say document with your hands well. Or the my answer document need to HTML. Once I assistant to HTML. Assistant Facebook and so but I say a Facebook login sign in. To be our PC for the channel. The Facebook gave shown login. Once assistant bibi a pese display or tab nim no eno ene ye de adwuma. Anyway, back to work. Afe oba yawo into head ene ma pese be display wa na eno na body ye body shame tim my hide the head no memra body nim into bibi a pese display wa the display man growth no body tag name and the shame. In the has is here no at least the heading tags. We will talk more in the next episode about heading tags. Then also we will talk about the paragraph tags and so on. Okay. And in fact this episode is here and say near structure HTML content to display on the web. A coding tree. Now, one next episode, no, you be sharing P account.